Here's how to clear Instagram search suggestions when typing. So, in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can clear Instagram search suggestions when you're typing. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First, just basically open up Instagram. And once you're inside Instagram, just go ahead and go to the search bar and just type in anything. So I'm just gonna type in Jake Paul. And yeah, here we go, we got Jake Paul right over here. And if you don't want the account to be suggesting you, you can just go ahead and simply block this account right over here. Just basically press block. And once the account is blocked, if you type in Jake again, you won't be able to see their account once you refresh your Instagram. Let me just go ahead and do this. And I won't be able to see the account suggestions. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can clear Instagram suggestions when typing. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.